Good morning, everyone. This is my brand new, well, used but almost new Gladiator ecodiesel. Yesterday I just installed the new dry type block heater. So this morning this is the first test. As you can see, it's almost minus 30 this morning. Let's check the temperature on the end. Oh, nice. Right around the block heater it says 38, 37 degrees already. So first let's see how this engine starts. It's been plugged in all night. Works perfectly. It starts almost like it was summertime. Let's jump in and see what the gauge says. Oh, that's cold. So radiator temperature is already at 5 degrees Celsius. That's pretty good. It's working good. So that's it for this morning. Thanks for watching.